Hello, today I'll be showing you how to draw a bird sitting on a branch. So first let's start with the first bird. First we'll just be drawing kind of like a curve like this. This is the front of its face. Then we'll be drawing another curve right here. This is the front of its tummy. Then right here we'll just be drawing 2 points kind of, one higher than the other. Then once we're done with that, here we'll just come like this. Then we'll just go like this. But make sure you don't finish it right at the end. Make sure there's some gap. So now we'll be focusing on the face. So here you'll just be erasing a little bit. Then here you will just draw kind of like that. Here's the Now we'll be drawing the beak like this. And then right to the side, you'll be drawing kind of like a shape like this. Then we'll just be drawing that. Then we'll be drawing this. So now the face is complete. Now here we'll draw the tail. We'll just draw two lines out like this. Then we'll connect it with a zigzaggy line. Just gonna color it in. Now here we'll just be drawing kind of like this, it's coming out. Then we'll just be drawing this. This is the wing. So you can just add some stripes like this. So now we'll be drawing the feet. It's just one line, then three lines. Same on the other side. So one bird is complete. Now we'll be drawing the branch. I'll just draw we'll just be drawing one bump here to make sure it looks like a branch. Then just, just continue. Now we'll be drawing another bird so it doesn't look too much empty space. So I'll just erase a bit of the branch. So now we'll be doing the same process we did for this bird. So here are two birds. I do the other bird. Like I said, just the same process we did for this one. Now what we'll be doing is to both our birds, we'll be adding it a little bit fur. So on the back, we'll just be kind of scribbling. You can make it kind of like a messy scribble so it doesn't look too straight. So I've added my fur, so now our birds are complete. Now just I'll add a little bit detail, so I'll just add like a few leaves and then I'll just add one or two flowers maybe. So I do a few more leaves and flowers. Now just out in the sky I'll just add a few clouds. So this is how our drawing will be. If you like this drawing, subscribe to our channel. Let's have fun on AA Square. Bye.